Well, welcome back to the mud shop, sort of. I brought all the pieces home and worked with these in the house, so I've got the bales put together. The owls were made with the Super Duper Scott Creek handheld extruder with a 2-inch barrel, a little chip tool die that goes on the outside of the barrel so it actually extrudes about a 2.5 inch. So that's where I got the body of these. Anyway, here is the first little bale. I put them together with a loop on the inside, and then I had to use twine for the first part tied in. The rest is all on chain. Anything out in the weather will be with chain. And this is done with Mako's Ivy and Mako Stroke and Coat colors. And this one is done with Amico Lavender, the Celadon Glaze and Stroke and Coat. Each one has their unique sound. This one is Textured Amber Brown. And this is Ochre, Amico Glazes. All right. These three were made with a salt and pepper shaker cutter set from De La Design Gifts. Used the inside part that's supposed to be for the cutter for the clapper, and you can see closer. I just pinch it at the top. I have a class on YouTube. One of my videos shows how I make these. This one has Mako colors, Stroke and Coat colors flooded in. This design actually is a roller from De La Design Gifts. And I hook it together with twine. This one is Ancient Copper on the top. Now this is the old original Ancient Copper. I have not tried the new one yet. I know the lighting's not real good here, but you can see it did get a good copper color. This is Textured Turquoise. This one is dipped in Lily of the Valley from Clayscapes. It's a Celadon glaze. There's a little bit of a texture on this one. You can see the texture does show through. The big garden bale was made with Speedball underglaze, the royal blue, and dipped in crystal cream, crystal clear. It's Clayscapes glaze. Inside of it, I have the top bead, the bird, bottom bead, the flower for the wind catcher, and this just a weight to hold it down. Each of these has their own unique sound. Just thought I'd come in for a minute and show you how the bales turned out. Well, if you want to see how to make these, that's on my YouTube. Look for that, little hand bales made out of salt and pepper shaker cutters. And check out the other videos, Diana's Mud Shop on Facebook. Thank you for joining me. Bye.